Hi, my dears. I hope you are having a great Wednesday. Sorry, I don't have my video up for today yet, but we're working on it. It's here now. So I just want to tell you, it was super fun. We just had a Zoom meeting with all the 7th grade teachers and about 25 of you guys. So be on the lookout in the next few days for some info about how to log on to Zoom and get started so that you can jump in Zoom meetings with us, because we really want to see your face, like really, really, really. So anyway, oh my gosh, someone is live chatting me. Brittany Grant, great job. So I just want to show you guys about volume of pyramids because we did prisms Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday is pyramids. So the only assignment you have for pyramids is just that one sheet of just practice, and make sure you upload and get a green submission box, and make sure you show your work. Some of y'all are killing me. So, but hey, at least you're submitting your work, right? Or submitting something. So let's just review what we did Monday and Tuesday. So we did volume of prism. Let me make sure you can see it. So we said, in 6th grade, we learned length times width times height. But this year, we have shapes that are possibly triangular prisms or have geometric bases. So you need to find the area of the base, then multiply by the height. So you find, the area of that triangle, then divide by 2, then multiply by the height of the prism. Remember, the height is whatever that rectangle part is. Well, now we've got pyramids. So, hang on a second. Hey, babe, you can wait till like 11:45. Oh, okay. You're right. So now we have pyramids. Now a pyramid, remember, sorry, Gabe's getting ready to go take a nap. He's not happy about it. So a pyramid has a point at the top, so it's not going to have any rectangular sides. They're all going to be triangles. So here's what we're going to do. For a pyramid, it's really simple, actually. You're going to do the same thing that you do for a prism. You do the base times the height, the area of the base. Remember that big B is area of the base. But then you're going to divide it by 3 because it's a pyramid. Because a pyramid is 1/3 the size of a prism. And some mathematician somewhere figured that out. I didn't. That's just what I know. So a pyramid is 1/3 the size of a prism. So you do the same formula as you did for a prism and then divide it by 3. So let's do this. So I'm going to color this in. I wish I could get it closer for y'all. Maybe. You can zoom in maybe. I don't know. So this right here, oh, this orange one's terrible. This right here is my base. Well, obviously 4 by 4, that's a square. So I'm going to do my square, and I know it's 4 times 4, so I know it's 16 centimeters squared, right? So then I'm going to do base times height and divide by 3. Well, 16 is my base. Now remember, height for a pyramid, you have to use the perpendicular height. You see these 2 numbers here? One number, let me see if you can get real close to it. Oh, there we go. So one of these goes straight down to the center of that pyramid. This other one is looking at the side edge. So that's like, of course, I don't have a triangle. But that's that perpendicular height for those shapes, just like when you're finding area of a triangle. So I need to use the 2 here instead of the 3. So I need that perpendicular height. So I'm going to multiply by 2 and then divide by 3. I get 32, divide that by 3, and I get, oh boy, I get 10.666 repeating. So I'm going to say 7 centimeters. And don't forget, volume is cubed. Okay? Got it? So first things first, find your base. Well, first thing you need to do is write that formula. Second thing is find your base, find the area, then plug in your numbers. Remember, write the formula again, and then make sure you round if you need to, do your units, and do cubed, okay? So let's do one more example, and then we'll go on from there. I'm trying to get down here low so I can see. So this is a pyramid, and you can see on this one, it gives you a perpendicular height, and it also gives you a height that we don't need. So make sure you use the correct one. So here's my base, and it is the shape of a rectangle. And I forgot, let me go ahead and write my formula, okay? So a rectangle is length times width. So I'm going to do 9 times 4, and I get 36 inches squared. All right. Now I'm going to rewrite my formula. Base times height divided by 3. I know the area of the base is 36. My perpendicular height is 6. And then divide by 3. Let me get my calculator out. 36 times 6, divide that by 3. I get 72 inches cubed. So my volume is 72 inches cubed. Okay. Again, I am writing the formula, finding the area of the base, plugging in my numbers, calculating it, writing my units, and cubed. Okay. So I think that's all. I love you. Have a great Wednesday and Thursday, and check out a video from Baby Gabe tomorrow. Bye.